If you want to see how I made this delicious jam, follow me. This year, I selected melons from my garden. They were harvested with everything else. I also bought an extra melon. I washed and sanitized all of my supplies. I cut up my melons and then I chopped them into smaller pieces for the blender. Puree your melons into a liquid. Since watermelons have a lot of water, this was easy. These are some of the ingredients that I'll be using. I used 6 cups of melon juice. I added all of the ingredients to the pot, making sure to add the fruit pectin last. After everything was mixed, I cut the heat down and cooked it for an hour. This is what a tablespoonful of jam looks like when it's cooled. I set up my jars on a clean work area. After removing my pot from the heat, I began filling up each jar. The jars may be really sticky at this time as the jam begins to cool. Clean each jar off with vinegar. This will ensure a good seal. Add your tops and then your lids. I then added my jars to boiling water. This is known as the water bath method. After 15 minutes, I placed them on a towel to cool. I allowed my jars to cool for 24 hours. And this is it, the most amazing jam that you ever want to taste. You can do this yourself. Thanks for watching.